Well, Ben, you're the first contact using this antenna, so you might be on YouTube again later.
Oh no, yeah, Rob was trying to say, he was mocking because we're not very far away. It's about 5 miles the crow flies here, but you know, so what, I can probably stop and see you. I thought I couldn't get on 50, but I've got the IMAX 2000 up and that tunes, well, it doesn't need tune up, it's resonant down here on 15, so we're okay. I've took the wire down to take with me tonight. So yeah, just getting everything set up when I go out later on tonight. I hope the weather's like it is now. Back to you.
Ah, excellent. I might set up in my back garden later, I think, but it's not been a too bad day up here. I've worked Mike on ground wave on 40, then Belgium, then Germany. Nothing was biting on 20, so I thought I'd do 15, and then I'm going to do 4 meters because I think Rob wants to work me on 4. And there's a couple from the radio club down Stafford are charging their 4 meter radios up, so it's nice to get you in the log again on a different band again.
Yeah, well, I was going to wait for you on 4. Fernando will be over here and try out. Then I thought I remembered I can come on 15 to you, so I thought I'd come down here. But yeah, so all going to plan tonight. I should be on 80, 40, 20, 15, 10, if there's anything around on 10, 4 meters, 2 meters, and 70 centimeters. We'll see, eh? He's having the time going all them, so if you're on it there, that'll be good. See if you can come up there to William Hill. He's quite a good height up there. He's 500 metres just below, I think. I did look last time. It's a good height up there. There's nothing around. I mean, there's that transmitting tower nearby, but I've never had no issue from there. So hopefully, I should hear from there if you're about later.
Yeah, should be about. I say upon me back garden, I'm not stopping up here too long because the dog's at home on his own, so I've got to let the dog out at some point. But hey, we picked a cracking day for it anyway. It's brilliant. And I think last time I came up here, it was very, very windy, so got a few contacts on VHF, UHF, but I've left them at home this time because I rely too much on 2 meters. So, but yeah, looks like Europe's open on 40 meters anyway, so there's plenty of stations there.
Yeah, I know what you mean with 2 meters. It's an easy band, isn't it, to jump on, small aerial. I did loads of 2 meter work last year when I was doing all different summits. It's just easy, isn't it? It's little aerial, whatever, one radio, handheld, whatever. But yeah, so I know what you mean, yeah. I've done that before where I've not taken it. It makes you try other bands, doesn't it, then? Persevere, but yeah, so I know what you mean. Anyway, Dom, I'm going to let you go. Put a few more calls out. I've just got to get a few things ready to put in the car, and then I've got to pick my lad up from school, and I'm going to take him with me, see. So that's why I'm not going in the daytime, because I wouldn't have enough time, I don't think. It's an hour's drive down to there, so I thought I'll go after school, and I've got all night, well not all night, but you know what I mean, a good few hours then there. So okay, maybe catch you on later. Have fun up there, and speak to you soon.
Okay, Ben, nice having you in the log again. 73.
Yeah, take care, enjoy yourself. I'm sure you're on that sun.
Definitely. Catch you later. Well, there we go. It's only a local contact, but that's the apex. One leg's going down that way, and the other one's going down. Yeah, you can't just see it. That's only a local one, but it's a fantastic day up here. Worked 40 metres work Mike on ground wave. He wasn't too far away. One Belgium, one Germany. 20 metres wasn't not busy, but I'm going to tune around and put a few more calls out on this frequency. Only do 4 metres, but it works. Yeah, it's a local contact, but it works. So hopefully I'll get some DX at some point. So there you go, the 15 metre dipole does work. Now, Tim Golf 5 Tango Mike on his channel has made a vertical, so I'll stick his link to that video here and in the description box. Go check him out, and I'll catch you later. See you in a bit.